When I was at North Salem and just even during my high school years, we had very few Black students here. When I was looking around at what we're offering and providing culturally for our kids, both in the schools and even in our community, it hadn't changed much since I was a student. And that was a particularly motivating factor in what spurred me, to get back involved with young people, but also to get back involved directly in the schools and in my community, working to build culturally affirming spaces for our current students. Our demographics are changing, and they're changing quickly. When you walk around the building here, you will hear a plethora of different languages. You will see students with so many different lived experiences from different cultural backgrounds and views. And I particularly enjoyed that working with our African American population, because we have our Black students have a very different lived experience, like our Black African American versus our African students. So to give our Black students the chance to come together and share cultures and to share that diversity, whether it be in language, whether it be in food, whether it be in clothing, we all kind of identify with being Black here in Salem-Keizer, but have so much to bring to the table as far as helping each other learn and grow. One thing I've come to know for a fact, not just as a staff member at Salem-Keizer, but as a student and as a parent of students who are in these schools currently, is that kids having the ability to see staff that look like them, that speak like them, that know what they're going through, that share similar backgrounds, and just identities is so valuable, especially when we're talking about safe and welcoming schools, embracing social emotional learning. It's really important that you have somebody that you can identify with. And I would say that that's something that I've carried with me, having that experience from first Cynthia and then Coach Slack, and then being able to carry that on now as a staff member in our schools that can provide that same experience for our kids.